We begin at 6 with the big story. And what's next for abortion rights in Arizona if the Supreme Court overturns Roe v. Wade? Political reporter Mark Phillips digs into state law, showing you why a bill passed this year could be trumped by one more than 100 years old.
State Senator Nancy Bartow was at the Supreme Court in December when the state of Mississippi argued in support of its law banning abortions after 15 weeks. Bartow sponsored her own version of the Mississippi law passed by the Arizona legislature this session and signed by the governor.
What I do know is I have signed a law in Arizona. It will become law 90 days after the session ends, and that's how we're going to proceed.
But Senator Bartow says there's one notable exception to that law.
Arizona has a pre-Roe law on the books that bans abortion. And so that would immediately go into effect, and we would defend that law.
In Bartow's view, if Roe is tossed, there will be no 15-week grace period for abortions in Arizona. The bill passed in March will defer to the one adopted in 1901. It outlaws all abortions except when the mother's life's in danger. There are criminal penalties for anyone involved in the procedure except for the woman.
This is sort of like a Sophie's Choice moment. You're asking me to pick one horrible law over one hideous law. I mean, choose your evil. This is terrible. They're both awful.
Democratic State Senator Victoria Steele and other legal experts that ABC 15 has spoken to see a legal battle coming over what law will take precedence. The Supreme Court may have ended the legal battle over Roe. The turf battles over the law of the land in Arizona are only getting started. Mark Phillips, ABC 15, Arizona.
So why, with a new bill, would the older one go into effect? Lawmakers made sure to put it in their latest bill. Section 2 of the 15-week ban says this act does not repeal Section 133603, and that is the abortion law that's been on the books since before Arizona was a state. It hasn't been enforced since 1973 because of the Roe v. Wade decision, but the law never actually went away. Now, an analysis by the New York Times finds Arizona is one of 5 states with a law that predates Roe v. Wade and would be able to be enforced if justices overturn the case.